Welcome to Hello Art Studio. If you are ready, so here are 20 tips to help you get start. Know your drawing tools. Doesn't matter if you're working digital or traditionally, know your tools. Try different mediums like watercolor, poster color, color pencils and charcoal or different brushes and use fingers. Once you've tried a lot and found some that you like, use them until you've perfected them. Know what you can keep going. It's the tool and how good it is that what matters, so, what you do with it. Feeling comfortable with your drawing tool. A big part of your success in improving your artistic skills. Master your tools. So, know your drawing tools. Doesn't matter if you're working digital or traditionally, know your tools. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for daily notification.